In this video, I want to show you step-by-step method of making your own nutritious pap for your 6 months old baby and above. At 6 months, babies are introduced to semi-solid foods, and pap is very good. It is made from corn. Here I used yellow corn, millet, and guinea corn. It contains probiotics that help prevent dysentery, diarrhea, and diabetes in babies. Pap is also gluten-free and is one of the most nutritious foods when weaning your baby. Pap is rich in carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals. It contains essential nutrients like magnesium, potassium, and selenium, which is essential for your growing infant's health and development. First step, after washing it thoroughly, you soak it for 2 days. Remember to change the water each day so that it will remain very clean. Then after 2 days, if you have a strong blender, you blend it at home. If you don't have, you take it to the market for commercial blending and they will grind it. You ensure that they grind it very well. Then after grinding it, this is how it will look. Ensure you grind it very well. Then get your sieve. If you have a sieve at home, then a clean bowl. You wash the sieve very well so that it will be clean. For this particular sieve, after washing it, I'm going to tie it on the bowl. If you don't have a basin, you can use a bucket, but ensure you tie it properly. So I've tied it and secured it at the back. So I'll be able to use it to sieve the pap, the grinded corn, the corn, millet, and guinea corn. So add your corn and start sieving it. The more you sieve, you keep adding little water on it. So you continue sieving using your hand. You add little water. So you continue doing it like this until you've extracted the starch. That is the pap. When you know that it's done, you will check with your hand. If you can press it very well, then you know it's ready. You remove the chaff from it. So you can see it's ready now. You remove the chaff from it. Then you add another one and continue with this pattern again. So as you keep sieving, you keep adding little water and ensure that the water is absolutely clean because you know it's baby's food. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you like it, the algorithm will recommend it for more people to see, and share this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, it's totally free, and turn on the bell icon to enable YouTube notify you whenever a new video is uploaded from this channel. And to subscribe does not cost you anything. So once again, it's done. You remove the chaff. You continue with this method until you're done. Pap is beneficial for both nursing moms and babies. It's a good source of energy and also promotes mental sharpness. For your baby, it is easy to digest. It also helps protect the health of a baby's heart. It makes a baby to sleep very well, and it is very much affordable. So when you are done sieving all of them, the next thing is to allow it to settle. You can untie the sieve or cover it like that. Then leave it for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour for it to settle. Then gradually you drain the water out and leave the main pap. So after draining it, this is how it will look. So you can see this is just the pap, the starch that you're going to use and be making your baby's food. If you like, you can dry it If you like, you put it in your fridge so that it will remain fresh every day. So get a bag, wash the bag thoroughly. This is where you're going to pour the pap. You can purchase it in the market. It's very cheap as well. So wash it thoroughly, then open it well and pour the pap gently after turning it in your bowl or your basin. So you gently pour it inside and then cover it. Allow the water, you can as well see the water coming out of the bag. So allow it to keep coming out like that. It will drain out. Next is to boil your water at 100 degrees Celsius. Then mix your pap and make it. This is how it's going to look after making it. So add baby's milk, turn it very well and feed your baby.